mutamia muiregas bono abwegas sakuma ya sagutama gochi wekabera nerere okonyora omwana tebeti oyo
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omugusi.
Wirebiyo mwancho muriria wegetaseni kiandizi TV nechika kichendengo kwanigani ime ya mangana maya ase egekekega gocaragire chinsa ikomi chabono marogoba ase bono uto kumanyana ali abereka gwateka ase omubaso olero ase bontura chukubwaterana nere lide mose oyo kumanya wetera senchira yemanyiro na inche Dorcas kemoma ngokoheresera nabaiko Petra mokeira kwena kingamalyo kinechibicha akoikere asenchira yobwekirano nabagore boto bwati wetera senchira yemitandao asensemo ya Facebook otanyamna Ndizi TV News Digital koikaga YouTube na tabna Ndizi TV News na baigo ase mtandao we website tonyana na www.ndizitv.net. Na kwariganirie kigima omosacho yomo bwe myaka ya igotwa korwa ase chinsemo cha Bugisero ewodi ya chinsemo cha Matieko Nyabigena Matieko ewodi ya Bugisero Kisi County serieta Edward Monyancha ani gobono akageire kumoita mukaya goika ogokwa obotuko bogokiera lero ale ase abose abaneke balenge ase chinsemecho ni goboino bagikeria egekorekyo agyo kumoita omorugioye goika ogokwa asibabirabwe bakageire gotwara ali umana alia egenka asibono bagikeire engana eyo asibono umobere onyagosira oiro asenkendu ya Kisiti Chingane Referral Hospital no mogakoye okobekwa byara na abanyanyembo ogochuchakia obotuki
ona ikiraiga asengenchoy egekoreke kiakorekana tibutuko ntwale ngororo ntogi ancharaniti ngetogogeti asengenjo yake bono igekenyoru kianyori rugwa kukobe ogwakwa gukorenda abana batigaire
samarire dagrasi kyago nyamo benero mwako minde tole batatu asaba mura tole batatu abaisike babi ono yo oyirendo nyora oyirendo murugyo yasira nero kombwati anyway igona abo nje gongwe kole mubo konda kitankora para igona abo kitigoro marampia ngagena ngaira ninga tuna saa 3 kana sitire gazi kachanga swa nyumba ana swa nyumba bogo kiboro mambi nalina abo kirenge tayari zine nsoke kuchie gazi kina igire na so kina igire para ngone ngoiwe bikuru nairana abo rende kinati abantu bali biya kinani kyaba na nairana anyorinde mukendo guyuraira gaitire
igongo kwana igaba muraga kinyaba kungu baba sinyire ka kirangeri turangeri toigwa mangana yo libagari ogwitera negenteke nchega ke yani okono kolero umwana uri otigira abana basinini okolera okonene gakyo yorora atigeta base kwa kamusubati obande tigara angeri atorangeri ntwekenyoro tokwane nyo musubati osinyira agende
Togo tigana nege kore kyo goichania na goska motwe ni gori tuko ria rero chitariki sano abakenya asensengima ni abakenya bagenete gochengera rituko ria erio gochengera ebintu bitwetaneine orio rimbo igori manyekaine asomono wekenya molero buna World Environmental Day asebono omoyegoyo okorekana ase county ya Kisii amone county ria ya Nyamira boigo asensengima chi county aunchagen agenderete gochingera omonyegoyo ase county ya Kisii nigo moyegoyo areganirwa ase sub county ya Marani ase abarai awikirana ase chinsemecho ase kirenga ekenene kiumwaka oyo kiarenge ogoigo yogosemiwa igoro yogosimeka emete eryo korenda liroba gukora omochando obwomorakera nabo igo ababwatani aonigo baikirana chinsemecho erikoro basemi gochia ase abamenyi bensemo eyuo togotigara ase ritukerire gochengera ebintu bitwite nemeje county ya Nyamira nigo omoyegoyo okorekana ase omochi okeroka ase obagokorau nomugabana we county ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo egati ya barai bande ase omoyegoyo bona barai bari baikirana nigo baboria abana inche bensemeyo kwaneke ngankorenda bare ebintu bitwite nene nabo igo kwaneke ngango simeka bare emete meronge ejubo igo etari kungusa amache na gukora liroba nabo igo kwana kingango simeka bare emete ya matunda anene area ekorenda liroba nero modidisi bwensemo ya Masaba North oyo manyekaine na Masela Wayela nigo bono ababori abamenye bensemeyo kwana kinga ngotiga bare enaro yo gosimeka emeringamo na korusia emeringamo elibasimegete ase mbarabare ye chindoche na kwana kinga konyerusia baroro elio kwana kinga gotiga bare chindoche chigenderete ase kiri nigo emeringamo eyo yaberige kongusa amachikima na gokamie chindoche asebo igo babori gwagosimeka emete ya matunda.
So the riparian lands, kuna miti ambayo haistahili kupandwa pale, miti ambayo inaitwa blue gum, na ninajua blue gum hapa Nyamira ni karibu 80%. Vile nimeona tu kuobserve, si ati nimefanya statistics ama nimefanya research, lakini kila mahali nikipita ninaona miti mingi ni eucalyptus. Kwa hivyo miti already iko, lakini sasa kuenda mbele to avoid sana kupanda miti aina ya eucalyptus, tuweze kupata ushauri kutoka kwa Department ya Environment, Kenya Forestry na NEMA, tujue ukikuwa na miche ya eucalyptus unaweza ipanda wapi na isiweze kudhuru mazingira, isiweze kudhuru environment. Kwa hivyo leo nikiwakilisha County Commissioner ambaye ametuma ujumbe wake pia kwenu kwamba sisi kama ngao tuna coordinate mambo ya upanzi wa miti. Imefanyika kwa mashule, inafanyika kila mahali, kila space yenye inapatikana tuweze kupanda miti tunapanda. Sisi tunawakilisha the president katika jurisdictions zetu kuhakikisha kwamba policies na directives zake zimeweza kuwa adhered to na kuwa implemented.
Togos kamotwe nigo omorai wa Azimio Raila Odinga amono mawaziri waziri oyebo igore omowaziri bwe chinse chesiko gosebwa mangana ye chinse chesiko Musalia Mudavadi nigo litukoria rero bakwanira chinyumba choborari asemocho Nairobi asebono balikwerera igoro yeganga yomorai bwe kyama kyo kya ODM koboria ekirugo kyobomo bwa Afrika ase orogongoro Afrika chinga kecho chinkwane choni goraira atebamna ekeroge kyoni gokerengete obomo bwa Afrika natari ase serikali ya Kenya yoka asebono atebamna nigo serikali ya Kenya ya moireri bagabene eri kuburia ekeroge kyo ase yarenge egati yebintu biribiganiri chingaki abetega kuburirwa osense ya Kenya ya mwanchire gochikuburia ekerogo ekyo chingaki echuboigo nigo raira airaneri ense serikali yeto ya Kenya mbuya ase okumosira yaberege kumosira naboigo komokonya korigia chikura chekirogekyo.
We have had a meeting with the Prime Cabinet Secretary and Cabinet Secretary for Foreign and Diaspora Affairs, my brother Honorable Wycliffe Musalia Mudavadi, who led a team of government officials. This was in regard to my candidacy for the African Union Commission chairmanship. I wish to reiterate the obvious, that I am vying for a position in Africa, not in the government of the Republic of Kenya. But I need the endorsement of the government of Kenya for that African position. At this meeting, we exchanged notes on the state of the quest so far, the preparations from my side and the government side, and the next steps that require to be taken. The Honorable Prime Cabinet Secretary shared with me the situation and levels of preparation and commitment in the government. I have been very encouraged by the number of senior government officials offering to be part of this journey out of an understanding that we are in this as Kenya and not as partisan political parties. I appreciate the offer of support. I shared with the government team the situation and my levels of preparation from outside the government. I assured the
Ngakechi boigo Raila nigo amenta goteba buna asaka na buna serikali temochoreti ko chikuboria ekiroge kyo kyobunya kirogo obwarogongorwa oserwa bomo bwarogongorwa Afrika asateba habwe kauna nere obwate okugania wokuboria ekirogo ekyo eriokora asorogongorwa Afrika aseboigo ateba buna no nere tamanyeti na aseki serikali ya ikirete ase okumosira na sense moja serikali kwetera somo waziri bwa waziri Musalia Mudavadi nigo atebabuna nigo bamochorete gose bamoete okoboko Raila asekeri nere weka umanyete gose niga manyete amangana ya arogongorwa Afrika na boigo na iseine na bwate bomanye boisene ase ekirogekyo ase igo nigo barachiko gendera kumosira na kwene kibuna onyorire obonyakirogo bobo bwarogongorwa Afrika.
Just asked me, the Kenya government did not ask me. I made a decision myself that I want to offer myself to serve the continent. And as you know, you cannot run for this position without being sponsored by your country. Your candidature is not valid until your country has said yes. So I was myself pleasantly surprised that the Kenya government said they would support me. I was expecting them to say no. I don't know the reason why they said yes. That is their own decision, it's not mine.
I will tell you why we said yes. We said yes because Raila is competent. Yes. And we are looking at Kenya's national interests and Africa's national interests. So this is not about our local issues. And we do not want, and we really want to get the Fourth Estate to help us to project the national interests of Kenya, because it would be a first for Kenya. And it would be an opportunity for Kenya to offer leadership to the African Union. And Raila Amolo Odinga has got the requisite experience. As I said in another forum, he has seen both hot and cold. And Africa is beaming with both hot and cold. And Raila is required on the African continent.
Umurai wense Dr. William Ruto ni gagendrete ni taruyaye ase ense ya Korea asa agendrete no musangiro kana obugu kwanira obwamate egati ya Korea amono rogongoro Afrika kwana ase ritukoria rero nigo Ruto atebamna nigo Afrika aire ase bagarigiye ariogotinya obwamate egati jense yo ya Korea ani gati chinse chinde ase boigo atebamna nigo barachi koligereria agogo kinya ense moye chisemi nabo igo ase obonchoria na korwa amabaga ase abasae emeremo ochase abasae nabo igo gosira amangana yochumi oborendi bwendagera amorembe nabo igo oborendi ase nsemo yobochenu egati ya yande amange asate babuna nigo bagochigukwanira gosebara chikorigereria mbitoki barabeke erikwene kingango kine bare obirengo byobochenu ase nseto ya Kenya ase boigo akwanira anenase ensemeyo yobochenu asate babuna nigo bono barachikwene kinga ngosira bare ensemo yobochenu bwikirano ase kirinero eragere aba Kenya gose ase rongoro Africa egendere kwimukira igoro.
As we celebrate this moment, I urge you to keep pushing the boundaries of innovation and enhance our support for research and development in biotechnology, because that will enable us to take charge and define the future of healthcare. Your commitment is vital for our progress. Let us therefore use this milestone as a platform for launching a path into the future through exploration and discovery, and work together in the spirit of solidarity and partnership to build resilient health systems and ensure that the whole world is prepared for any health emergency in the near or distant future. We call and we recall our past experiences, however unpleasant, with a view to consolidating the gains already secured, particularly on lessons learned from the COVID-19 pandemic, and to deploy innovation to devise a bold way forward for Kenya, Africa, and globally. This is why I am very proud of what we have accomplished and confident about the transformative achievements we shall definitely accomplish together as we go into the future.
Mwachumurire igano ngoikera omwere obwa mangana maya senchira yobwenge edetaria ne Dorcas ke mumana nigo twabwatirana nere Kevin Mugambi oyone kingama ligine chibicha agoikera senchira yobwekirano nere Lydia Mose oyone kingo komanyire gwetera senchira yemanyererio twara oborigeri obuya imeyandizi TV nabo bwanso bomugusi.